Hey everybody, what's going on? Bill here, Rusted Hot Rods. Look at this weather. Amazing. It's what? I think it's February 7th and it's 40 something. It's like not even noon yet. Crazy. But I'm just out here looking at our future projects. This old girl is gonna be something. I'm not sure what. Driveline's intact. It actually runs. I had it running last fall. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna do something, that's for sure. There's a lot of rot in the floorboard, but that's it. The rest of the car's in really good shape. That needs interior, but it runs, drives, shifts, something like that. I don't know if I'm gonna do a body switch. Seeing how the floor's all rotten, might cut the body off and put it on some other chassis. Not sure what I'm gonna do. Not sure. What do you think, Hazel? Oh yeah? Okay, here we go. What a difference a day makes. Uh-oh, she got her Frisbee. She's happy. Yeah, it's actually 2 days later. Winter's not over yet. What do you think, Hazel? What do you think? Are you happy? Are you happy? Well, give it to me. Come on, give it to me. Hazel. Yeah, she hates the snow. So I've been working on my taillights, got the taillights wiring. The taillights I have, the original taillights, are pretty crusty. I got to replace that socket. So like I did in the front ones, I got pigtails coming. Then I'm gonna change that out and fix that. But I don't have those yet. I'm getting the bed bolted down so it's not going to fall off when I'm going down the road. This part is all pretty crappy here. This whole part of the bed is pretty crappy. This here is really rotted away, as you can see on here. So I'm going to cut that out and see what I can do with it. I probably have to make another one. I don't think I can save that one. That one's pretty bad. And I think I need some kind of mount. Maybe not. I mean, I supported the frame here. Supported the frame right there. And I've got a good mount there, mounted bracket on the side of the frame there. And I'll make something back there at the back of the frame to mount the bed to it. That's 6 points. It's probably enough, I'm thinking, but I need something here, at least to bolt the wood or steel or whatever I want to put down for the bed. So let's get that out of there. There it is. Ugh. Yeah, that's pretty shot. Yeah, This is the back of the bed. The back of the bang board back there actually came down and is bent in a Z and actually bolted up there. And I don't think it's going to do that again. Well, let's see what we can do. Okay, so last night I ran out and got some metal. At the bottom of this panel here is all rotten. It used to come down 90 over, then 90 down, and wrap around. Here it is. And wrap around that piece there. This little support. This goes underneath here, like that, close to that bolt. So, in order to fix that, well, I'll think about this later. But I figure I'll fix this panel because it's up here hitting the cab. It's all bent in. I'm not going to replace the whole piece. I'm just going to put a patch on the bottom of it because I don't mind it being bent up. It doesn't have to be perfect for this truck. But there's parts here that are all pounded in. So I'll pound that out. I'm going to have it come around, make a new piece, have it come around underneath, 90 up, come up the back a bit, and I'll either probably just tack it in place. I think that'll be fine. If I come up here on the back side, say, 6-8 inches, it'll be fine. Still keep that nice patina in the back of the bed. But that needs to be pounded out. Let me get a pounder. I might want something better than that. Well, let's see. I'm kind of supported there. The fender's hitting the tires now, but it needs to go back farther. What's hitting what? Oh. Well, that sounds good. Well, I almost got it. Here again, I'm working in a cramped space. Never have enough room. There we go. That'll work. Now, get that other side up. All kinds of weird stuff hitting on everything. Get a longer piece of steel here. All right, well I got it back a little farther, probably far enough. You can see that bow right there. I'm gonna pound that in on the other side. And like I said, I'm gonna wrap around here and come up and tack it in a few places. Call her good. Now I need is a banger. Well, that went in real easy. No problem. I'm getting real cramped around here. And this one. That's pretty close. I know they make replacement panels for these, but I'm not going that far with this truck. That's not what this truck's about. Okay, now I gotta cut a piece of metal. Let's see, how far am I gonna come up here? I think if I come up 6 inches, that's plenty. Hit good metal. Yep, 6 inches. If I come down, I don't have to come down to wrap around that brace again. Or do I? I don't think I do. So I'm just going to make a 2.5 inch 90 off of it. Yep. So I need 8.5 inches by 50. All right. Let's cut that. All right. I don't know about around your place, but boy, price of metal's going up. This half sheet of 18 gauge was, I think, 45 bucks. Ouch. And of course I'm gonna have to two-piece this because this is only 48 and the bed's 50 wide. So that's gonna be what it is. What do I wanna do? Okay. So I want 8.5. And for you screaming in there, out there, I know this is a drywall square, and I know they're not accurate. But for what I'm doing, it's good enough. Now I'm gonna do that, and that's right, I want a 2.5 inch bend. So I might as well cut that now at 6. That's my 90-degree bend. This is always fun. There we go. Turn me loose, turn me loose. Yeah, you can do that right there. You think it'd be fine. Ooh. Ooh. Hurts when it gets in your ear. Ooh. Ah. Dirt, paint, all kinds of crap. That's all. I'm just going to tack weld it all the way around. I'm not going to get crazy about it. I don't think there's any reason to. All right, there it is all tacked in. Got it all camouflaged with a whole bunch of different colored paint. You can barely tell it's in there from the back. You can see the little spot welds, but that's it. So I got the piece in, I got the bed back where it goes. I put a piece of 1x wood or 3/4 inch wood. It's just a piece of scrap 1x4 I had to get it where the height needs to be. Then I put a piece of, this is 1.5 inch by 1.5 by 1/8 inch angle, just to support this because the wood comes through here and screws down. Whether or not I'm going to run a brace down the frame, I don't know. I have one right here. I don't think I need one there. I'll just run a couple of screws in here to hold it. I'm going to take all that malarkey off of there. Yeah, let's see, ran a bolt through here. I got a couple more bolts to put in. I got to make some kind of frame mount on the back. So if it's being held here, there, and the back, I don't think I need a frame mount up here. I think that'll be plenty good enough. I'm never going to haul, 50, well, who knows, a bunch of bags of concrete are in here. I'm never going to have a whole lot of weight back here. I'll use the other truck for that. But all right. So I got a couple nuts on here, and we'll get this bolted down so it's doesn't sound like it's going to rattle off the face of the earth. But I'm going down the road. Because it was bad before. It was rattling like mad. 1, 2, 3. And this one's up in a hole, it's hard to get to. So I'll take a little piece of blue tape, shallow socket, so the nut doesn't fall way down into it. Stack the washers on there, and run a little tape on there to hold them. Like that. Then you can get it up inside there, hopefully. Spin the nut. Got it. There we go. When it works good, it worked good. All right, 4. Now at least it's not going to fall off. I still got to make 2 bounce in the back. But it'll stay there for now. Okay, so I've been working on these rear mounts, get them bolted down. That's what I did right there. That one's bolted down to the frame, that one's bolted to the bed. Nice and solid. Another one over there. So now it's bolted down in 6 places. I think that's fine. That's where I'm going to leave it. Well, now I got the bed bolted down nice and solid. I can get some wood for it and finish it. That's probably a good thing to do. But I still got to play with the sending unit not working. I don't know if the sending unit's bad or what for the gas gauge. It's irritating. But it's always something. Next, I'll be on to this, get the tail lights mounted, get them up and running. I got my pigtails in. And some other surprises, but pretty soon I'll be able to get this thing out on the road and take it for a test drive. Oh yeah. Old school, baby. I appreciate everybody watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe if you would. But the comments are really cool. Appreciate everybody watching. Take care. What do you think, Hazel? Huh? What do you think? What do you think? What? All you want to do is play with your frisbee. I know. Oh, geez. All right. Fine. We have to go play. Go on. Beat it.